Pam Mines is the executive director and founder of JP Jumpers, a nonprofit organization that raises awareness for the special needs community. She's voicing her concerns about Trump's new tax law and how it could impact those with disabilities.
The special needs community is going to be affected big time.
Nearly 5 days after President Trump signed his domestic policy bill, some families of Virginians with special needs, including Pam Mines, are worried about the law's potential impact to their children.
It already costs millions of dollars to take care of a loved one with special needs, and having Medicaid gives the caregivers assurance that that person will get good quality care and they don't have to worry about their health.
Mine says her son JP has been on the waiting list for Medicaid since he was 4 years old. He's now 21.
So there are some people who are just getting Medicaid who have been waiting just as long as we have.
The new domestic policy plan includes nearly $1 trillion in cuts to Medicaid over 10 years, though the Trump administration and many Republicans say this legislation will not take away services from people with disabilities. In fact, the White House says their policy strengthens Medicaid for those who rely on it.
This is a full circle thing. It's not just affecting the person who's actually getting the health care, but it's actually affecting those who are caring for them.
However, the new law does include stricter work requirements for some Medicaid recipients and requires states to check individuals' eligibility more frequently. Mines notes taking care of a loved one with special needs is a full-time job for many parents, and some of the work requirements can be daunting.
Many of those parents who are benefiting from our services and what we do not work because they're just not able to because their loved one requires that much care.
Mines is also worried the funding cuts could inevitably cause many programs for those with disabilities here in the Commonwealth to be on the chopping block.
The special needs community is so specific and diverse in the sense of, what JP needs may not be what someone else needs. And a lot of people need it to live and to have a good quality of life.
The 900-page bill, now law, boosts security and ICE enforcement, as well as tax cuts for many Americans. The Medicaid cuts will take effect at the end of 2026 and will roll out over the next 10 years. I'm Caroline Colburn, CBS 6 News.